Germs, the dark,
Okay.
vacuum cleaners, cats, bugs, sock monkeys,
I get the picture.
and trees.
Trees? You're afraid of trees?
They've got pointy branches.
Well, their bark is worse than their bite, you know. Oh, that was awesome!